Hello, I, Richa Tyagi, Assistant Professor, Biani Group of Colleges, welcomes you all on behalf of Guru KPU. Today I'll be delivering a lecture on apoptosis. So, we will start with what is apoptosis. Apoptosis or programmed cell death is a death of cell in a programmed manner. In a simple way I can explain, it's basically a process in which a cell prepares itself for its death. Development and hemostasis in multicellular organism is dependent on cell division, differentiation and cell death. So cell death is a very important process that is performed in each and every cell. Cell division and cell death leads to the generation of proper number of cells. Basically, there is a proper balance in our body between the generation of new cells and the eliminated cells. It's like a balance. There should be a proper balance. Neither the left one should be high, neither the right one should be high. So we can explain it like that there should be a proper balance between the new generated cell and the eliminated cells. If in any case there is an imbalance between these two, then we can have some sort of disease. Like if we have higher number of new generated cells, then we have cancer. On the other hand, if we have higher number of eliminated cells, then we can have lack of immunity. In mature animal, a balance is maintained between different types of cell by cell division and cell death. So we can say that cell death performs a very important function in each and every cell. So the elimination of unwanted cell in a distinct manner is described as apoptosis, or we can say it's a programmed cell death. The execution of apoptosis is followed by morphological and biochemical changes in a manner that will not harm the cell. In mature animal, a balance is maintained between different types of cell by cell division and cell death. So we can say that cell death or programmed cell death is a very important event that is being performed in each and every cell. So the elimination of unwanted cell from our body in a distinctly manner is called as apoptosis. The execution of apoptosis is followed by morphological and biochemical changes in a manner that will not harm our body. That means apoptosis is totally a cellular friendly death, because in this sort of death, firstly our cell have some sort of morphological changes that include the shrinking of cell and the breakage of DNA and chromatin material. And after all the completion of these steps, a macrophage cell will come and engulf all the apoptotic bodies or apoptotic cells. So we can say that PCD is a cellular friendly death. On the other hand, I will be discussing cell death with necrosis. Necrosis and apoptosis, both of these methods of cell death are like two phases of a coin. So I will be going with necrosis now. Necrosis is basically pathological death that is caused due to cell injury. That means it is a cell death in which a cell will swell and it will totally burst out and release all the cellular content outside the cell. We can also take a normal example of daily life. If we have any sort of injury, like in this area, we totally start feeling a burning sensation. That indicates that all the cells on this area were not prepared for cell death, and because of some sort of shock or some sort of injury, all those cells get burst, or that is basically necrosis. So when necrosis happens, all the cellular content that comes out, it may infect other neighboring cells. So in this case, if the released content will infect the neighboring cells, it will cause a formation of pus. So we can say that necrosis is not at all a friendly death. I have this chart, and with the help of this chart, I can compare both of these methods. On my left, I am having necrosis. On the right, I am having apoptosis. So this is totally a healthy cell. In this, we are having a healthy nucleus, healthy organelles, and I can say it's totally a normal cell. In the case of necrosis, the cell is totally normal because it didn't know that it is going to die. So it get a shock or it get any sort of injury, and this cell will get burst and all the cellular content will come out and it will infect the neighboring cell, and that may cause the formation of pus. And in the case of apoptosis, because it is a cellular friendly death, the cell will firstly get shrink and all the content inside the cell will get fragment and the chromatin will get condensed, the nucleus or the DNA will break, and in the end we have small membrane bound bodies, and these are called apoptotic bodies. Basically, what are apoptotic bodies? Apoptotic bodies are membrane bound small cell fragments. Those are the result of apoptosis. And at the end, the last step is the macrophage will come and engulf all of these apoptotic bodies, and in this way this cell will eliminate from body and it will not at all harm the neighboring cells. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more query and information, log on to our website www.gurukpo.com.